How about we start with some game day packs? Man, still nobody. Come on, game day packs. Come on, let's go. 100 stamina. 2 tickets. Gold, 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 bronze, gold, bronze, gold. Nothing exciting. This is boring. Alright, let's get it going. Come on, give me something. Give me something. At least I'm getting a bunch of stamina and tickets. Oh, there we go. 80 overall Shane Ray. Finally, we get a pull. Yes, thank you, EA. I love you. Alright, let's move on to some presents now. We'll come back to those game day packs later. Alright, let's finish opening these game day packs. Here we go. Understand my 2 tickets as usual. I'm not expecting much out of these packs other than the usual few golds and tickets and stamina. Alright, we have 6 left. Bam! Nothing. Come on. Hit me with something. Hit me. Hit me with that elite card. Yes! Whoa, man. 84. Yes, thank you. I'll take that any day. Cameron Bray, welcome to the pack. Thank you. Finally, an elite. Woo! Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Come on, hit me with another. Hit me with another elite. Nothing. Hit me with another elite. Oh, that's too bad. I'll save these packs for another day. See you next time.